How to make a librarian villager. To make a librarian villager, first find an unemployed villager or a baby villager without a profession. These villagers have no job site block assigned yet, so they are ready to take on a new profession. You can find villagers naturally in villages or use a villager spawn egg in creative mode. Baby villagers can grow up to become librarians as well. The key to making a librarian villager is placing a lectern near the unemployed villager. The lectern acts as their job site block. When the villager detects the lectern, they will claim the librarian profession. This transformation happens during the villager's working hours, usually at dawn or midday. If you want to change an existing profession, break their current job site block first. Once the villager becomes a librarian, trading with them is essential. Completing a trade locks their profession, so they won't switch jobs if the lectern is removed or destroyed. This is crucial for keeping your librarian villager stable and reliable for enchanting book trades, name tags, and other valuable items. Librarians provide some of the most useful trades in Minecraft. From enchanted books with powerful enchantments to rare items like name tags, their trade offers improve as they level up from novice to master. You can level them by trading repeatedly, unlocking increasingly valuable items. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.